Amish homes are marvels of practicality, efficiency, and community. These houses are constructed without modern conveniences like bricks, power tools, or electricity. And yet, they stand the test of time better than many of their modern counterparts. Why do the Amish build their homes this way? Let's break down their genius approach to construction, uncovering key insights into their unique methods and the reasons behind their choices. Number 1. The core of Amish home building: wood and stone. Amish homes are built using wood and stone for highly practical reasons, focusing on efficiency, environmental responsibility, and community traditions. The choice to use these materials isn't just a matter of following tradition. It comes from centuries of refined craftsmanship and a deep connection to the land. Wood serves as the primary material in Amish homes and is chosen not just for its availability, but for its versatility and durability. Hardwood varieties like oak, maple, walnut, and cherry are common due to their robust properties. Oak is highly resistant to pests, decay, and moisture, making it excellent for structural beams and supports. Maple has a dense grain that holds up under heavy use, perfect for floors or walls that need precision and resilience. The process of preparing wood is hands-on, and every step is handled manually, from cutting down trees to shaping the lumber into planks or beams. The Amish use time-tested techniques to season and dry the wood, a critical process to reduce moisture content. Freshly cut wood, or green wood, has too much moisture, leading to warping or rot. The Amish air dry their timber, sometimes for months, which allows it to become stronger and more stable. This traditional seasoning method produces wood that can endure a wide range of weather conditions and last for decades. Stone, on the other hand, is used primarily for foundational structures, chimneys, and sometimes for the exteriors of homes. The Amish strategically select stones based on local availability, choosing types like limestone and granite that offer both stability and durability. Stone forms the backbone of the home's foundation, providing a solid base that resists shifting, cracking, and general wear from the elements. A key property of stone is its ability to act as a thermal mass, which means it absorbs heat during the day and slowly releases it at night. This natural temperature regulation helps to maintain a comfortable climate within the home without any need for electrical heating or cooling systems. The stonework itself is laid with precision. Often, the Amish practice dry stone masonry, a method that doesn't use mortar but relies on the careful placement of stones for stability and longevity. The blend of wood and stone creates a balanced structure, combining the flexibility of wood with the sturdiness of stone. Wood gives the home an ability to breathe and move slightly as the earth shifts, which prevents cracking. Stone, meanwhile, serves as the firm, anchoring element that keeps the house stable. This dual material approach ensures that Amish homes are not only durable, but also better able to handle various environmental conditions over long periods of time. In addition to practicality, the aesthetic appeal of these homes is significant. The wood, often left unfinished or minimally treated, retains its natural grain and texture, lending a warm, organic feel to the home. Stone adds visual contrast and structure, enhancing both the look and function of the building. The use of natural materials ensures that each home blends seamlessly into its surroundings, creating a harmonious relationship with the landscape. Sourcing materials locally offers significant environmental and economic advantages. The Amish practice sustainable harvesting, often selecting mature trees while allowing younger ones to grow, maintaining a healthy ecosystem. Because the materials are sourced directly from the environment around them, the carbon footprint is minimal. There's no need for transportation, processing, or factory-based manufacturing. Economically, this reduces costs dramatically. There's no need for mass-produced construction supplies like bricks, cement, or imported materials, making it highly cost-effective to build and raise entire homes quickly without compromising on quality. Number 2, why no bricks? Amish homes are constructed without bricks for a variety of practical reasons, deeply rooted in tradition, efficiency, and resourcefulness. One of the most significant factors is the speed and collaborative nature of their building process. A central practice in Amish communities is the barn raising, where members of the community come together to build a structure in a very short period, often just a few days. The absence of bricks plays a crucial role here. Bricks are heavy, require precise alignment, and need mortar to secure them, which can slow down construction considerably. Wood, in contrast, is lightweight, easier to handle, and can be quickly shaped, cut, and secured into place using traditional hand tools, allowing for the rapid assembly of homes. The flexibility of wood also means that once the main framework is constructed, the walls and roof can be built with speed, something that isn't possible with brickwork due to the time-consuming nature of laying and securing each individual brick. Amish craftsmen are known for their expertise in wood joinery, using interlocking techniques that eliminate the need for complex adhesives or fasteners, which would otherwise be necessary if bricks were involved. These techniques enable homes to be sturdy and structurally sound while being constructed at a fraction of the time it would take to build a brick structure. Another critical reason for avoiding bricks is cost efficiency and accessibility. Bricks are not just costly, they require specialized skills for bricklaying, and the materials are often not as readily available in Amish communities as timber. For the Amish, sourcing local materials is part of their sustainable lifestyle. They typically have access to abundant wood from nearby forests, which they can harvest themselves, reducing the need for purchasing and transporting materials over long distances. Bricks, in contrast, often need to be bought and shipped in, increasing both the financial cost and environmental impact. Since the Amish community emphasizes self-reliance, using readily available timber aligns perfectly with their ethos of independence and low-cost construction. Labor costs are also an essential factor. Bricklaying requires specialized masons to ensure proper placement and durability, which can add significantly to construction expenses. However, because the Amish build their homes as a community, they leverage collective skills in carpentry, meaning they don't need to hire outside labor. The focus on wood construction allows them to rely on skills already present within their community, ensuring that the building process is both economical and socially reinforcing. Additionally, working with wood allows them to adapt the designs more freely without the rigid structural constraints that come with bricklaying, enabling custom designs based on family needs and preferences. Tradition plays a substantial role in the preference for wood over bricks as well. Amish culture is rooted in simplicity and humility, with an emphasis on craftsmanship and the beauty of natural materials. Woodworking is not just a practical skill, it's an art passed down through generations, with each family having its own techniques and styles. The familiarity and expertise in working with wood make it a natural choice for construction. Furthermore, the rejection of modern technologies extends to construction practices. The Amish typically avoid modern brick manufacturing processes, which often involve kilns, chemical treatments, and mass production, all things that conflict with their commitment to simplicity and manual labor. In contrast, using wood allows for handcrafting every piece, creating homes that reflect the time-honored techniques of the Amish people. Durability is another consideration. While bricks are known for their long-term strength, Amish builders trust the resilience of their wooden structures. They are designed to endure varying climates and seasons, using techniques that allow for natural expansion and contraction without causing damage. Since brick is rigid, it can crack under temperature changes or foundation shifts. Wooden homes, built with interlocking joints and flexible designs, can adjust to environmental changes better without structural damage. Additionally, when repairs are needed, Wood is far easier to replace or fix than a wall of bricks, ensuring the longevity and continued functionality of the home with simple maintenance. The absence of bricks also fits into the broader Amish principles of modesty and frugality. A brick home is often seen as a symbol of wealth or status, something that goes against the values of plain living and equality within the community. Wood, being more accessible and modest, aligns perfectly with their cultural and religious beliefs. The aesthetics of wooden homes reflect an intentional choice to maintain a low profile and blend seamlessly with the surrounding environment, reinforcing the Amish desire for simplicity and humility. Number 3, hand tools over power tools, precision and craftsmanship. Amish builders use hand tools not just out of tradition, but for the precision, quality, and connection these tools bring to their craft. Every cut and joint is made carefully, with a focus on perfection that power tools can't replicate. Hand saws, chisels, mallets, and hand planes allow the carpenter to work closely with the grain and texture of the wood, understanding its strengths and weaknesses. This deep familiarity enables them to craft joints like mortise and tenon and dovetails that are not only strong, but add aesthetic value to the structure. The use of these tools isn't just about construction. It's about artistry and creating a bond with the material that only comes from hands-on experience. Each piece of wood is selected based on its quality, and hand tools allow for fine adjustments to ensure a perfect fit, something that mass-produced, machine-cut materials often miss. The absence of power tools also removes noise and distractions, allowing builders to work quietly and methodically. This silence fosters an environment of focus and reflection, making the building process almost meditative. It encourages a deliberate pace, ensuring that every cut, nail, and fit is correct. Hand tools also contribute to a more environmentally friendly process, requiring no electricity, fuel, or complex equipment maintenance. The reduced need for power aligns perfectly with Amish values of sustainability and simplicity. Community participation is enhanced when hand tools are used, as they are more accessible and safe for a variety of skill levels. Youngsters learning the trade, elders contributing their wisdom, and families coming together can all engage in construction without the dangers or complications of power machinery. This inclusive approach helps maintain craftsmanship across generations, ensuring that building techniques are passed down and honed. The involvement of many hands in the construction process adds to the craftsmanship, creating a sense of pride and ownership in the finished structure. The absence of power tools also eliminates the high cost of equipment, which can be a barrier to many communities, making construction an affordable endeavor. Number 4, walls without bricks, a genius approach to insulation. Amish homes' walls are designed with a keen focus on insulation, sustainability, and adaptability. Instead of bricks, they use wood panels, clapboard siding, or shingles that provide an optimal balance of insulation, flexibility, and breathability. The choice of wood allows for natural insulation, and to enhance this effect, the Amish incorporate various eco-friendly materials like straw bales, wool, or even sawdust, packed within wall cavities. Straw bales, in particular, have an insulating value comparable to modern foam insulations, yet are entirely biodegradable and renewable. This means that Amish homes can maintain a consistent indoor temperature through seasonal changes, reducing the need for heating or cooling systems. The walls of Amish homes are constructed to promote airflow, allowing them to breathe. This breathability prevents moisture accumulation, which is key in avoiding issues like mold, mildew, or wood rot. By promoting healthy air circulation, the walls help to naturally regulate humidity levels, ensuring a comfortable living environment. The air-permeable nature of the walls helps maintain better air quality, making the interiors of these homes fresh and free from chemical pollutants that are sometimes present in synthetic insulation materials. This approach supports the Amish principle of living close to nature, ensuring that their homes are in harmony with their environment. Wood-based wall construction also offers design flexibility. The Amish adapt the size, layout, and overall architecture of their homes to suit individual family needs without the structural limitations of brickwork. Panels can be cut and fitted to unique designs, making room for expansions or customizations as needed. This method allows for the possibility of adding natural insulation materials as the family grows, making the home expandable without extensive restructuring. Moreover, the ease of replacing wood panels makes repairs and maintenance straightforward, significantly enhancing the longevity of the structure. The balance between a tight seal for insulation and the ability to adapt and expand makes the wood wall design not only practical, but genius in its simplicity and function. Number 5. Roofs built to last. Amish roofs are designed with an emphasis on durability, efficiency, and natural aesthetics. Their construction process prioritizes materials like wooden shingles, cedar shakes, and metal sheets that are not only long-lasting, but also offer great weather protection. A key feature is the steep pitch of the roof, often between 45 to 60 degrees. This steep angle is highly effective in allowing rain and snow to slide off quickly, reducing the risk of accumulation and potential structural damage from heavy weight. This design feature is particularly valuable in regions with harsh winters or frequent storms, ensuring that the roof remains stable and intact for decades. Wooden shingles are often preferred for their natural insulating properties, while metal sheets provide an additional layer of durability against weather elements like hail and strong winds. The choice between wood and metal depends on the specific needs of the home, whether better insulation or increased resistance to extreme conditions is prioritized. The overlapping placement of shingles or sheets ensures that water is channeled away efficiently, reducing the chance of leaks. This natural waterproofing, combined with proper ventilation through small vents or gaps, helps regulate the interior temperature of the home, allowing heat to escape in summer and retaining warmth in winter. The roofs are also built with aesthetics in mind. The Amish carefully consider how the roofline blends with the overall architecture of the house and the surrounding landscape. Cedar shakes, for example, weather beautifully over time, developing a silvery patina that integrates seamlessly with the natural environment, providing a rustic, harmonious look. Meanwhile, the use of metal sheets can add a modern touch without losing the traditional feel. Amish roofs are often built with locally sourced materials, reducing the environmental impact and aligning with their sustainable practices. This not only preserves the visual unity of the community, but also ensures that every roof is uniquely adapted to its environment, offering both strength and natural beauty. Number 6. Off-grid living. How Amish homes function without electricity. Amish homes are meticulously designed for off-grid living, leveraging both ingenuity and simplicity to function without modern utilities. Their approach to maximizing natural light is intentional and thoughtful. Windows are placed to align with the sun's path, allowing the home to be naturally illuminated throughout the day. These windows are typically larger and double-paned to enhance insulation while providing an abundance of light, reducing the need for artificial lighting even on cloudy days. The windows are often positioned to capture the sunrise in key living spaces and to allow for a dimming effect as the day ends, creating a rhythm that aligns with nature's cycle. For evening lighting, Amish families rely on gas lamps, typically fueled by propane or kerosene. These lamps are strategically placed to cast light in communal areas, such as dining rooms and kitchens, and offer a warm glow that contributes to a cozy atmosphere. Unlike electric lights that can be bright and stark, gas lamps provide a softer, ambient lighting that enhances family activities and social gatherings. The lanterns are often wall-mounted or portable, allowing families to bring light where needed without waste. Amish homes are designed to conserve and utilize water efficiently, relying on hand pumps to draw water directly from wells. This not only provides reliable access to clean water, but also keeps the system simple and low maintenance. Wells are usually placed close to the kitchen or wash areas, allowing quick access to water for cooking, cleaning, and bathing. In some cases, rainwater collection systems are incorporated, where rainwater is harvested and stored for secondary uses like gardening or animal care. The lack of plumbing means no dependence on electric pumps or municipal water supplies, making these homes entirely self-sufficient in their water needs. Heating and cooking are also adapted to off-grid life. Wood-burning stoves serve a dual purpose, used for both heating the home and cooking meals, offering an efficient use of fuel. The Amish carefully manage wood supplies, gathering and seasoning their own firewood, making sure they have enough for the winter months. These stoves are often placed in central areas of the home to ensure even heat distribution, and heat vents may be built into floors or walls to help circulate warmth throughout multiple rooms. Amish refrigerators and cooling systems are sometimes powered by propane, allowing perishables to be stored without electricity. Additionally, root cellars are a traditional solution for storing vegetables, canned goods, and dairy products, taking advantage of the Earth's natural coolness. This is an ingenious method to preserve food without the need for electrical refrigeration. All these systems, from lighting to water access to heating, are designed to be energy efficient and sustainable, allowing the Amish to live comfortably without the modern electrical grid. This intentional approach not only reduces reliance on external utilities, but aligns perfectly with their values of simplicity, independence, and environmental stewardship. Number 7, cost-effectiveness and financial benefits. Amish homes are constructed with financial efficiency in mind, resulting in significantly lower costs compared to typical modern homes. The cost-saving measures start with materials. By using wood, stone, and other resources directly from their own land or nearby, the Amish eliminate expenses tied to purchasing, processing, and transporting construction materials. There is no markup from suppliers, and materials like timber are hand-hewn from local forests, bypassing the expenses associated with commercial lumberyards. This self-reliance in materials not only lowers costs, but also allows the Amish to select quality resources tailored to their specific building needs, ensuring durability without overspending. Labor costs are virtually non-existent in Amish home building. The concept of a barn raising extends to the building of homes, where the entire community comes together to contribute their skills and labor. This communal effort eliminates the need for paid contractors, architects, and specialized builders, all of which would drive up costs in a typical construction project. The skilled nature of Amish carpenters and builders also means that the construction process is highly efficient, with an emphasis on speed without sacrificing quality. The support of neighbors, friends, and family members means that a home can often be completed in a matter of weeks, significantly reducing labor time and expenses. Another major factor in cost reduction is the lack of modern technology and amenities. Amish homes do not require electrical wiring, plumbing, HVAC systems, or other installations that add significant upfront costs and ongoing maintenance expenses. Without the need for these systems, there is also no need for permits, inspections, or compliance with electrical and plumbing codes, which can be costly and time-consuming in modern construction. The simpler infrastructure means that maintenance is minimal, further saving on repair costs and avoiding utility bills, which are a major ongoing expense in most households. Additionally, the Amish focus on functionality over aesthetics when it comes to finishes and home decor. The interiors are designed to be practical and long-lasting, avoiding the need for expensive fixtures, furnishings, or cosmetic upgrades. This minimalist approach reduces the need for costly paints, decorative trims, and imported flooring, focusing instead on natural wood finishes and handmade furniture crafted by the community. This prioritization of utility and durability means that the cost is invested in what really matters: sturdy construction and long-lasting use, rather than superficial appearances.